Is that OEM?
Sure is.
I am not used to that, and it's quiet. Wow,
It's quiet.
It's a gentleman's car now.
Yeah, I like the way you word it.
Oh, man.
JDM engine, buddy. A little bit more torque, a little bit more horsepower. But it has the AP2 trans, so 1 to 4 are a little shorter.
Oh, this feels interesting, dude.
You know how you got to feather the clutch under 10 miles an hour in your car?
Yeah.
Because first is really tall.
Oh, this feels interesting, dude. You can already feel the difference.
AP2 wheels as well. So that's
yeah. I've only ever driven. Actually, I've driven one S2000 with the AP2 V1 wheels. I think that's what these are.
They are, yeah. These are replicas of them, so they're a little heavier, but
okay.
I'll get some OEM ones that'll lighten up 2-3 pounds. Make a left up here. It's eager though, isn't it?
It is. It like really wants me to do more. This I love the feel of the stitching, and this like feels grippier than mine. What's up? Oh, dude. The transmission feels beautiful. Feels like brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
It was re-greased, but I need one of the little plastic pieces inside needs to be replaced, bearing or whatever. But hey,
I don't have this in mine.
green light. My bad. Well, yeah, that's I can replace that for you. We go to Lee C Parts on the Eastern Shore.
Oh, for real? Oh, yeah. Jake used to work there. That's cool. Mind if I give her a little rip? That definitely feels way more eager than mine did stock.
And that's with the
Wow.
the less aggressive ECU.
It's weird. The spring is really light, but I like the way the clutch engages, that OEM clutch. Okay, that's what feels familiar to me.
I had a feeling you'd drive the car today, and that's why I texted you. Did you get your clutch or your flywheel resurfaced? Because if not, you'd be in for a surprise. Take it to 7, take your foot off the gas, then mash it. That's when you really feel it.
Okay.
75. OEM suspension, low miles.
Damn, dude. Yeah, mine. I'm on these burner tires right now. I can't be taking turns.
I think
this definitely feels just way more JDM for some reason. I just get this bum tingle that tells me this is wow.
This is why
they should have given these to everyone, dude.
I think the reason is because they run a little bit off on 91, because the U.S. market, everything has to be 91 safe because of California and a few states.
Yeah.
Some states, I think Iowa only had 90 for a while. But also I'm on 94 octane ethanol free gas right now.
I'm getting the hang of the lighter spring now, getting the shift smoother.
Your downshift was good.
It's definitely way smoother than mine with the heavy pressure plate, because it's like always more jerky, no matter how smooth I try to make it. This feels great, dude. This feels like an S2000 out of the factory. Woo, perfect timing, too.
Hell yeah.
Bye, officer.
Correct. We'll make a U-turn for time's sake. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, this guy's turning.
Let's go to the gas station, actually, just for safety's sake. And then we'll hop out of that street there. Use the light.
Dude, this different steering wheel just feels so much better.
$60 on Amazon.
That's crazy, because this feels better than mine. Mine is way slippier.
I want suede so bad.
Oh, dude, you got to look at this this carbon fiber one with the shift lights I'm about to get. Flat bottom, red grips, and all that.
I think another one you're talking about. It looks like the LFA steering wheel.
Yeah, it's the same one Tree has, but it's got the shift lights going up the top.
Oh my god.
It's a lot of money, but it's gonna look that ass. I like the head unit.
Yeah, you like the head unit. That's JDM as hell, isn't it?
Yeah, bro. I like the carbon. Damn it.
$7 Walmart speaker, because during the engine swap they were doing electrical diagnostics and they unplugged the radio somewhere. But
oh, so they deleted that to put that there. Okay, because that's a blank switch on mine.
yeah,
Way more grippy around these turns than mine.
even in the cold weather, these tires hold true. Mind rolling the window up? Just for the video.
Oh, I like that tint too, man. And you got the Berlina black. You can never go wrong with this color. It's like the color that every S2000 would look fun.
I agree. Trees looks fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that
I
car.
wish you would drive it more.
I'm gonna have you make a right up here in a minute. Not quite yet, just so you can see the future meeting spot I want us to use.
Oh.
Next one after this. Yeah. But yeah, I paid a seamstress to do the just a dry cleaning lady. Just turn up here to do the wheel wrap. Not perfect, but and just follow this all the way back. Feels torquier up hills.
Yeah, dude, definitely feels torquier. Definitely a lot more torque in the lower.
It's quick, huh?
Oh.
Yeah, keep going. This is the ultimate mega me.
Dude. Yo. And there's a little garage. Oh.
Keep going. You'll see the mother load.
Damn, this is cool, dude.
Imagine this spot in the very back. Imagine everyone backing in. We put my tripod down, spin it around, and do a panorama.
Oh my God. How did you find this?
My granddad's friend owns one of the business owners of there.
And so he would give us permission to... Oh, that's cool, dude.
For photo ops and stuff, sure.
Dude, this is perfect. Just all S2000s. This would be some Fast and Furious.
And you were at my house briefly, right? You saw the boat? Yeah. That is, that's like, what, 3.5, 4 minutes from here? So after my Toge route, we stop here, picture, hit Wendy's for snacks, and then my place and have a party.
Yeah, bro. Hey, that sounds like a plan.
That's what I was saying, bro.
That's a tempting parking lot to slide around in, too.
Yeah. Under there's good, too, for, just, you know.
Yeah,
the
that right
aesthetic.
there.
That's going, too. That's where the Miatas have to go.
Yeah, yeah. They gotta be in the secluded zone.
I forget it. You want a stock cat?
No.
You get a Burke?
Burke high flow. I'm thinking actually about either getting the 70mm to match the Skunk 2.
Yeah.
For better flow, maybe more pops, or trying the Skunk 2 70mm test pipe. I'm just worried that's going to sound ricey, so I'm kind of hesitant to do that.
It can. If you do sell the Burke 63.5, I'll buy it off you.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, done deal then.
I bought the EVS for the AP2, which is good, but it's a little bit less flow.
Burke, I've heard, is the best high flow cat.
I just put the Burke on this, and it's fantastic.
Yeah, the welds look great. All of it looks great.
The EVS is better for boosted because you get a little more pressure, a little bit. It handles the heat better.
Okay.
But Burke for NA is no question. I wouldn't go test pipe. Skunk 2 with the Burke 70 is actually can be better if you tune it later on.
Yeah, tuning's hard for the AP1s, man, especially the early AP1s.
Mm-hmm.
So I would have to spend a small fortune to even get any potential out of it. I'm making a right.
Yeah, correct. Yep. Hopefully they're not waiting on us. Oh, there, we're good. So, Connor, what do you think?
Dude, I love it.
Is this car worth the hype of me not shutting up about it?
Yes. Dude, if my car felt like this, I don't know, dude. It's got extra little JDMs thrown in on the engine, man. It's a weird, I don't know, when they washed it with Japanese water out of a river on some sacred mountain or something, bro. I don't know, dude. They put some magic sauce in this.
You're the best, Connor.
Love
Thanks,
it,
man.